Hey guys, it's Lydia. If you're new here, hi and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Bath & Body Works haul and unboxing. They just recently had their semi-annual sale, so I picked up a couple of items. So we're going to start with the best. I am obsessed with their candles. I will not buy candles. I won't buy like any of these type of things from any other company now. I'm just so obsessed with Bath & Body Works. For candles, I'm more of like a coconutty, like warmer scent, like the pumpkin type scents, and less of the fruity florally ones. I went for the mahogany coconut. I just absolutely loved the packaging, and this was on sale for $12.95. I usually pay like $30 for them, so I definitely had to get a candle. It smells so good, but I don't love it as much as I was expecting to. It's more of the mahogany scent opposed to the coconut. So I only got one candle. And then I ended up getting something from their Aromatherapy collection. I've never gotten anything from this before. I just ended up getting the moisturizing body lotion in the lavender mint and tea scent. First of all, this was like, I think $20 and I got it for $4. Ooh. Okay, I've never tried anything from this before, and it has a very, very, very strong scent. So yeah, I got the Aromatherapy body lotion. Don't know how I feel about it. Next up, I just got a mini little shower gel in the scent Fresh Getaway with aloe and vitamin E. I thought this would just be perfect for traveling. And this one smells really good. And I also thought this would be like a good summer scent. Friend's house after the beach, something to just throw in your purse or your bag. Next up, we have the foaming hand soaps, and I am obsessed with these. I go through these so fast. I have 2 in my house at all times. First, we have Berry Waffle Cone. I actually just rebought this one. I had this last month, and I don't actually think I meant to get this one now that I'm thinking about it. Personally, it's a little too sweet for me, but it was on sale. So then I got 2 of the pineapple Proseccos. I absolutely love this. It smells super sweet, super summery. I'm obsessed with this, so I got 2 of these. The hand soaps were all on sale for about $4. Then I got Strawberry Pound Cake. Absolutely love this one as well. It smells exactly how it's described. Bath & Body Works labels are so descriptive that like I expect it to smell exactly what it's labeled as. Yes to this one, love this. We have white tea and sage. This is just the prettiest packaging ever. And then last but not least, we have turquoise waters. Again, I just absolutely love the like little flowery, this packaging. It's just the cutest packaging ever. Another reason why I love these soaps and stuff is just those few scents, smells so good, looks so cute, great prices. If you guys can see in the back, I have an entire, it like goes down all the way to my floor. I have so many Bath & Body Works mists, soaps, lotions, exfoliators, like literally everything. So if you guys ever want me to do a review on some of my favorite scents or like what I recommend or don't recommend, let me know in the comments down below and I can do that for you. That would actually be a really fun video. Comment down below your favorite Bath & Body Works scent. Mine was actually discontinued a couple of years ago, but it's a Lush Pink Dragon Fruit. I've never found anything that smells as good as that one, but they don't sell it anymore. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and go follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.